Hi, good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you here from Ahmedabad Management Association. On behalf of AMA, I would like to chair this session today. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Kuntal Mehta, working with Times of India. And so today's topic is the power shift, consumer media trends, reshaping business. And we have with us Ms. Vanita Keswani. She has been consistently ranked amongst top 50 most influential women in advertising in India and part of the list of 2024 1,000 Women Leaders Movement, India's largest women leadership development initiative. She is the CEO of Madison Media Sigma, a unit of Madison Communications Private Limited, one of the world's top independent media agencies, spanning categories like FMCG, tires, pharma, AC lubricants, real estate, etc. So, on behalf of AMA and all of us, I'd like to welcome Ms. Vanita Keswani. So, ma'am, I'll want to invite you to take the session ahead, please. Yeah.
So everyone knows, right? मतलब as consumers, all of us know कि क्या change हो रहा है. एक word अगर बोले हैं, तो आप सब मेरे ख्याल से एक word ज़रूर बोलेंगे. क्या बोलेंगे? क्या change हो रहा है? और यहाँ तो मोदी टेक्नोलॉजी, डिजिटल, यही आता है ना सबसे पहले. What is changing is that thing. So this is really the presentation that how can we embrace the future in media. So that's why I want to know who's the audience here while they're going to have it on social media. It's very important to speak to the audience, to know who you're speaking to, because isn't that all about marketing? Is all about that. Who's your consumer? Hanji, so I need to know who I'm speaking to. So thank you so much everyone. So let us see how we embrace. Can you see when I'm standing here? Otherwise आप इस तरफ आ जाएंगे सब लोग, तो that also you can do. Whoever can't see, अगर सर आपको इस तरफ आना है तो okay. So media fragmentation, and I'm going to बीच में थोड़ी हिंदी भी बोल देती हूँ because आप कह रहे थे, तो I'll take care of that probably. Media fragmentation का एक concept होता है जिसमें हमारा जो attention span है, attention देना किसी चीज़ को, वो इतना कम हो गया है कि मतलब you really have to do something different to stand out. तो कोई अगर ब्रांड आपसे बात करना चाहता है, यू नो यूर अ कंज्यूमर, आप क्या ब्रांड्स यूज़ करते हैं, कौन से कैटेगरीज यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल स्किन क्रीम्स यूज़ करते हैं या सोप यूज़ करते हैं, डेली एफएमसीजी प्रोडक्ट्स में जो यूज़ करते हैं, उसके लिए इफ दे वांट टू स्पीक टू यू, अर्लियर इट वाज वेरी सिंपल. मैनी ईयर्स अगो, 10 साल 20 साल से लेके अब तक कितने चेंज हो गए हैं कि एक सिंपल ऐड डाल दिया टेलीविजन में, बड़े से सीरीज़ में आपने देख लिया तो वो ठीक है. पर आज के तारीख में सारे मीडियम्स इतने फ्रैगमेंट होते जा रहे हैं कि कौन टीवी देख रहा है, टीवी कैसे देख रहा है, कनेक्टेड टीवी पे देख रहा है कि हाई डेफिनेशन टीवी पे देख रहा है या स्टैंडर्ड डेफिनेशन टीवी पे देख रहा है. आप लोग समझते हैं इसके बारे में? एज कंज्यूमर समझते होंगे. केबल टीवी आपको आते होंगे बीच में कितना था कि केबल टीवी का क्या पैकेज है. यू हैड टू चूज अ केबल टीवी पैकेज, राइट? सो इतने वेज हैं आज के तारीख में कि हमारा जॉब जो है एज मीडिया एजेंसी, एज मीडिया प्लानर्स, इज गेटिंग मोर एंड मोर डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन कि फ्रैगमेंट हो गया है सब. So it is getting more and more scientific, it is getting more and more specialized. जितना ज़्यादा वो fragmentation होगी, उतना ज़्यादा हमें उसको specialized way में देखना पड़ेगा. This is some data. What is this data showing? कि हर मीडियम का, हर चीज़ एक मीडियम से होती है. टेलीविज़न का मीडियम है, डिजिटल का मीडियम है, प्रिंट है, आउटडोर है, होर्डिंग्स देखते हैं आप आउटडोर में, रेडियो है, सिनेमा है. तो ये चार्ट आपको दिखाता है एज कॉमन कंज्यूमर, इवन इफ यू नॉट अ मीडिया पर्सन, दैट क्या शेयर है उस पैसे का जो सारा पैसा एडवर्टाइजर्स डालते हैं, जो एडेक्स कहते हैं उसको हम, एडवर्टाइजिंग एक्सपेंडिचर. सो हाउ डज दैट लुक टुडे? सो अगर आप देखते हैं ये 21, 22, 23 के नंबर्स हैं, 3 साल के, तो क्या दिखता है आपको इसमें? टेलीविज़न आपको दिख रहा है कम हो रहा है हल्का हल्का, डिजिटल दिख रहा है बढ़ रहा है, करेक्ट, एंड प्रिंट भी घट रहा है, और बाकी थोड़ा सा आउटडोर बढ़ रहा है, बट शेयर देखिए कितना कम है. शेयर देखिए 2 का कितना है, 33 and 40, राइट, फॉर ऑल दैट द इन्वेस्टमेंट्स दैट हैपन इन एडवर्टाइजिंग. बताएं. values as percentages, correct? Yeah, contribution to the ad expenditure. So this is what you see here. This is the first thing. So digital share अब आगे बढ़ चुका है. At one point of time it used to be lower, like you're seeing here in 21. So rise of digital is in line with the consumer behavior. ये mirror करता है हमारे behavior को. जो सब हम यहाँ बैठे हैं, हम कितना टीवी देखते हैं, हम कितना फ़ोन पे रहते हैं, हम कितना डिजिटल कंज्यूम करते हैं, अपने आप को पूछिए, एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. बिकॉज everyone is on digital. Everyone wants to watch YouTube while we are traveling, while we are doing this, or wherever, whatever ways you use digital. So this is really nothing else but a mirror of the behavior, correct? But still, जो large FMCG advertisers होते हैं, उनका एक तरफ से कौन लार्जेस्ट है हमारे यहाँ पे, यूनिलीवर, राइट? सो द बिग डैडी ऑफ FMCG मार्केटिंग हैज सेड दैट मोर देन 25% ऑफ देयर एडवर्टाइजिंग बजट इज इन डिजिटल मीडिया. नाउ व्हाई एम आई ब्रिंगिंग दिस अप? बिकॉज पहली चीज़ ये सोची जाती है कि अच्छा, जो मार्केटिंग टारगेट करना है फॉर यंगर पीपल, वी विल टेक डिजिटल, but for the elder people we'll take TV. That is common sense logical, right? आपके पेरेंट्स होंगे कुछ लोगों के यहाँ, वो ज़्यादा टीवी देखते होंगे अभी भी, करेक्ट? बट एन FMCG इज़ फॉर एवरी वन. लाइक आई सेड, सोप, शैम्पू तो सब यूज़ करते हैं. बट वाई आर दे डूइंग दिस? वाई आर दे ऑल्सो पुटिंग 25% ऑफ देम? ऑब्वियसली देर इज अ कंज्यूमर शिफ्ट दैट दे आर सीइंग, करेक्ट? सो मार्केटिंग एट द स्पीड ऑफ कल्चर एंड टेक्नोलॉजी में लेट अस नाउ लुक एट क्या शिफ्ट्स हो रहे हैं मार्केटर्स के. What are we really seeing? So this is a very interesting slide which is from Meta's workshop that they took with us. They talked Facebook basically. Mindset shifts that are happening is, हम पहले audience देखते थे, जैसे मैंने कहा mother 40 years plus, 35 to 54, female 15 to 24, ऐसे हमारे age groups पे हमारे मीडिया में प्लानिंग होती है. But now we are moving from audiences to outcomes. We just want to know, what do we want to do? We want to sell. So whether we are using it for that mother or this, ultimately the outcome is what? We need to be clear about that. And then we use digital in a different way by not using one voice, but many voices. Gone are the days कि एक single commercial बना और उसी के basis पे सब देख रहे हैं और वही पॉपुलर हो गया. सो दिस इज अ बिग शिफ्ट दैट इज हैपनिंग फ्रॉम ऑडियंस टू आउटकम्स, फ्रॉम वन वॉइस टू मैनी वॉइसेस, फ्रॉम लीनियर जर्नीज टू फ्लूइड. इसका क्या मतलब है? एक लाइन से चलते हैं कि कहीं कहीं से चलते हैं, फ्लूइड, इसका ये मतलब है. सो व्हाट इज लीनियर जर्नी? अर्लियर कि एक पहले मॉडल होता था, पहले अवेयरनेस होगा, जानेंगे, फिर आप उसके बारे में रिसर्च करेंगे, कंसिडरेशन होगा, देन यू विल गो एंड परचेज. आज के तारीख में you could straight away get on your mobile to see something that you like when you're buying something on, say, a Blinkit or on wherever, and you like it and you straight away go to the buying journey. You don't even know about it earlier. So the journey is no longer कि पहले awareness होना चाहिए फिर ही होगा कुछ. समझ रहे हैं? Everyone's on the same page now? Yeah? These are the mind shifts. So staying at the front of modern marketing means embracing this AI technology that जो AI की बात होती है आजकल, that humans cannot achieve. And how does that happen? Millions of iterations happen on digital. They bid on various creatives. They know who is wanting that product. They know their profile and they will serve it to them. We don't need to plan to say, नहीं तो television में software में डालो, ये age group में मुझे ये program चाहिए. That's the way we plan media. That is changing now. And 1 second is the time it takes to match the right message to the right people. So that is what this is beautifully explained. Welcome. So like I said, it's fluid journey. मैंने कहा अपने हाथ से ऐसे करते हुए. So where each touch point is a connection opportunity. You don't know where you will get what and where you will use cinema, where you will use digital. You can never know, right? I want to ask each one of you, what feeling does the word change evoke in you? जब कोई change आता है आपके लाइफ में, या कुछ भी ऐसा, जैसे अभी हम लाइफ के बारे में डिजिटल वर्ड में बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे हमें, लाइक आई फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई डू नॉट नो सम सॉफ्टवेयर डिजिटल में, मुझे पता नहीं है, मेरे को कोई बोलते मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में मेरी बेटी ज़्यादा जानती है, करेक्ट? हाउ डज दैट फील? हार्ट में आपको लगता क्या है? डू यू फील होप? डू यू फील ऑप्टिमिस्टिक? और डू यू फील अरे तो बड़ा फियर लगता है, अनसर्टनिटी? दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ब्रांड्स नीड टू आस्क. Do they feel that they want to grow? Do they feel optimistic that there's an opportunity? Or do they look back and say, oh, अब मुझे इसके भरोसे रहना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मुझे तो आता नहीं है ये. And you get anxious about it. And you continue to do the old way of thinking. Because you don't want to embrace that change. So this is very important that nostalgia is fine, but really take this feeling of change and go and learn. And I'm happy that we're all learning through this, right? So learning is very, very important. सो रेलिंक्विशिंग मतलब छोड़ देना क्रिएटिव कंट्रोल की. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर ब्रांड मैनेजर, हर इंसान, हर चीज़ चेक होके ही जाएगी मीडिया में. बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है ये, बिकॉज अपना ब्रांड बात हो रहा है ना सोशल में. सो बीइंग एबल टू टेक अवे द क्रिएटिव कंट्रोल फ्रॉम द मेन ब्रांड मैनेजर एंड गिविंग इट टू इन्फ्लुएंसर्स. इन्फ्लुएंसर्स विल नॉट टेल यू कि मैं एग्जैक्टली क्या बोलने वाला हूँ उसमें. यू विल हैव टू हैव दैट पार्ट. And marketers has focused on detailed audience segmentation. लेकिन क्या होता है, this is limiting because जैसे मैंने कहा, it's only to demographic, you can only reach that many people. But with AI, you can reach everything, right? So this is all about AI. So like I said, this is audiences to outcome. One voice to many voices, like I'm seeing here. And always this is what I said, right? Discovery, consideration, पहले, but channels cannot shape that journey any longer. It is now you shape that journey. Where do I need to go? How do I get through this, right? And this must be looking very, very interesting to you because you all see all this, correct? सब दिखता है ये हमें आजकल. Reels, creators, collaboration ads, advantage, कितना है, so much happening. So sophisticated marketers जो है आज के तारीख में, जो edge लेना चाहते हैं, जो आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, they are embracing the digital change and they are creating an ecosystem that is designed for fluidity and not the old traditional way of things. So that is how it's happening. Yeah? Sorry, yes.
The point you continuously raising the usage of AI. So that's a technology. This is all done by the human intervention.
Yeah.
You mean to say there is AI is helping better version of the technology? Or
AI
to say through the AI things will lead?
So what I mean is that once you create things, you create 20 creatives through whoever you're creating it to, they respectively have their own fan followers. And AI will decide which creative is best suited to be shown to who. We don't need to pre-plan it. Yes. It automatically goes to the right person. And it keeps learning. So पहला वाला नहीं है, जैसे आपने क्लिक किया तो आपके like-minded लोग उनको 1000 मिल जाएंगे. Like this persona, okay, this is clicking well, they're liking it, let me get 1000 more of like that. So that all that happens in a second. जो अपने तरीके से करेंगे तो साल लग जाए. Yeah. So this is the part of the change and the way I spoke about it. Now stay with that and let's switch to now why large advertisers prefer TV. What do I mean by prefer? 25 का नंबर दिया मैंने आपको %. TV पे ज़्यादा है, ठीक है? क्यों है? लार्ज लोगों का, हाँ, वो जो शेयर दिखाया था एडेक्स का, वो ओवरऑल लेवल पे है. जैसा मैंने कहा, ये ग्रो तो हो ही रहा है. टीवी का शेयर ड्रॉप हो रहा है, बट ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. इंडस्ट्री के लेवल पे अगर 32% है जो एडवर्टाइजिंग शेयर टेलीविज़न का, टॉप लोगों का 60% है. अभी भी जो टॉप एडवर्टाइजर्स है, जो सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेंड करते हैं, वो अभी भी टीवी पे कितना कर रहे हैं? अबाउट 60%. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई. Top brands, top companies basically. Yeah? So 3 reasons why TV is still effective. One is that it is efficient and effective. Second is that it drives attention. And third is there's a concept of a lingering effect. एक बार आपने कोई टीवी पे देखा वर्सेस डिजिटल पे देखा, उसका जो इफेक्ट होता है मेमोरी पे, उसका एक साइंस है कि वो ज़्यादा देर तक रुकता है आपके साथ. सो एक चीज़ को ज़रा देखते हैं. इसको मैं कवर नहीं करूँगी, पर मैं आपको समझा देती हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज़ टू मीडिया सेंट्रिक. बट इसके बारे में बता देती हूँ कि स्पिल ओवर ऑडियंस मिलती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टेलीविज़न में आप बैठे हैं, आपके घर में 5 लोग हैं, सब देख रहे हैं, चाहे वो एक्टिवली नहीं भी देख रहे हैं, वो सुन रहे हैं, सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज यू गेट स्पिल ओवर ऑडियंस, जबकि डिजिटल में आपको क्लियरली डिफाइन करना पड़ता है ऑडियंस. एक टाइम पे आपको एक ही वही बंदा मिलेगा, करेक्ट. सो जो बेनिफिट मिलता है वो न्यू यूजर्स के लिए मिलता है. तो ये कुछ चार्ट है जैसे दिखाया है कि ओनली 9% जो बायर्स होते हैं वो बार बार लॉयल बाय करते हैं. मोस्टली ग्रोथ जो आता है वो नॉन यूजर्स से आता है, नए नए लोगों से आता है. फॉर नए लोगों के लिए टीवी बहुत अच्छा रहता है बिकॉज यू आर नॉट रीचिंग ओनली टू द कोर कंज्यूमर, यू आर रीचिंग टू मोर देन दैट, राइट. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज अटेंशन. ये भी रिसर्च हुई है प्रोफेसर कैरन नेल्सन फील्ड की. that TV delivers the highest attention in seconds, though it of course is generalized. It may vary in a metro versus a non-metro, but broadly this is a study that has been done कि टीवी से अटेंशन, क्योंकि कई लोग ये भी बोलते हैं कि सिनेमा की भी अटेंशन बहुत अच्छी होती है बिकॉज यू आर सिटिंग देयर, देयर इज अ लार्ज स्क्रीन, तो लार्जनेस ऑफ द स्क्रीन मैटर्स. सो दैट इज दैट. लिंगरिंग इम्पैक्ट जो मैंने बोला, जैसे सबको ये क्या याद है, ये वाला एड सबने देखा हुआ है. ये एड आपने नहीं देखा हुआ? देखा, न्यू जनरेशन, डेयरी मिल्क, करेक्ट. सो दिस द डेयरी मिल्क एड फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी रिमेंबर दिस बिकॉज इट डिडंट रिक्वायर कि ये बार बार दिखाया जाए. इतना फेवरेट हो गया था ये. एंड ऐसे बहुत एड्स हैं आपके. अभी रिसेंट केस में भी एयरटेल तो सुना ही होगा, हर फ्रेंड ज़रूरी होता है. दैट्स अनदर वेरी क्लासिक कैंपेन. सो व्हाट वी मीन इज दैट such ads on digital alone may not have that lingering effect. When you see it on a large screen, it has a lingering effect. So television certainly has lingering effect. So how is it quantified? एक concept होता है marketing and media में, it's called half life. उसका ये होता है कि कितना time लगेगा to come to that half level. How much time will it take to remove that from your memory to half level? Because आपको कोई भी चीज़ याद रखने के लिए बार बार बताना पड़ता है, right? So this is a concept of half life, and half life के मामले में television is better in terms of lingering effect. So ads that linger, that help to increase the outcome, yeah, and this very difference from performance जो lower funnel advertising होती है digital की वगैरह. So it's important to plan continuity. इसलिए FMCG जो top brands हैं वो continuity रहते हैं. हर वक्त आप उनको TV में देखेंगे और हर वक्त वो बात करेंगे. So this is Kantar is a research agency. So they have this model that, sorry, yeah. So they have a gateway to ad effectiveness. So it talks about delivery. Like I said, right audience बहुत ज़रूरी है delivery में. So how do you connect to the right audience on a large scale? So they have that. तो वो large scale पे एक साथ होना very easy. When I put spots on IPL on TV, दिख जाता है सबको. अगले दिन सब KBC देख रहे हैं लोग, अगले दिन बात हो जाती है उसकी. But digital में वो because AI के through या because we are so targeting it to various specific people, वो इतना इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर पाना, इतना ज़्यादा रीच ऑन स्केल ले पाना नहीं आ पाता. सो अटेंशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑल्सो, विच वी ऑल्सो सीन. सो वन इज़ डिलीवरी, वन इज़ अटेंशन, एंड देन द इफेक्ट विल बी felt, which is more long term, which is more association led. So this is the model for ad effectiveness. So this I have anyway said. So that's it actually. That from the presentation point of view, I'll take questions and understand, and we'll discuss. So let us take the leap into the future. This is just for everyone, as consumers, as wherever profession you're in, because one is looking at whatever you're doing in an old way thought. How can you embrace digitization in your own way? Is that what I wanted to say, that how it shapes business and how it shapes your career, how it shapes your life. Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, anybody wants to speak anything? कुछ पूछना है, बात करनी है, any sharing?
I have a few questions.
इसको बंद कर देते हैं. You just switch this on.
Okay. I have a few questions, and that is basically like for the professional, for the like what you mean to say, the new career opportunities, right? Few of the things what we learned or what we saw in our professional life, the usage of digital media, but probably there will be having lot of much more sections in that. So would you like to address this point, that what kind of different still the new opportunities would be there in the bigger corporates?
Yeah, in terms of digital media career options, you mean?
Exactly.
I would say in corporates or in any way, I'll tell you some typical, fields, so to say, that come within digital. One would be the content side of it. So जो website है उसमें क्या content जाता है, what are the blogs you're writing. So the one is the writing side and making it, technology plus content आएगा उसमें, ठीक है. The other is कि उसको maintain करना, there's a concept of SEO, yeah, search engine optimization. So once you have a good website, then how do you ensure that the searches are going and they are matching, because search keywords में भी algorithms होता है. क्या आप search करते हो उससे अगर आपका website doesn't cover that, you will not be directed towards that. So that's one SEO specialist होते हैं एक, ठीक है. Now while that happens on the agency side, usually corporate side पे भी specialization होती है. So the person who's handling and agencies from their side sometimes are specialized in digital SEO, sometimes are specialized in digital branding, sometimes are specialized in television mass media, So brands में भी आजकल ये होता है कि कई जगह they are preferring integrated, but it's very difficult to get integrated because it's so specialized, like you rightly said.
This is above than the technical knowledge.
It's much more than technical knowledge. So technical is only the side of, like, for example, the content is very important. In fact, the lines are so blurred now in digital. Creative and media are getting more and more blurred. Because what you are going to speak is so important now. Like I said, one voice to many voices. So आपका फिल्म बन जाता है, लेकिन अगर आप वही चीज़ बार बार अलग फॉर्मेट्स में, सिर्फ रील के फॉर्मेट में, ऐसे फॉर्मेट में सेम चीज़ दिखाने वाले हो, then it's very difficult for that attention to be grabbed. So that is that. So एक मैंने आपको SEO बोला, फिर दूसरा होता है कि ब्रांडिंग. जनरली जैसे ब्रांड एडवर्टाइजिंग है, उसमें वीडियो एडवर्टाइजिंग ज़्यादा होती है, डिस्प्ले होती है. जैसे आप देखते हो एवरी सिंगल प्लेस देयर इज एडवर्टाइजिंग, राइट? यू सी Paytm, Uber, you're booking, you see ads, right? How do you think those ads are planned? It's so complicated because there's so many avenues, right? So that is why I'm saying that it's so important to understand, to be able to take those choices. Everything is not also available from technology to say. It's not so easy. I press a button and say, okay, इस तरह का consumer चाहिए, tell me where should I advertise. It's not. It has a lot of thinking that you have to do. Some common sense layered with data. So data alone से भी answers नहीं मिलते. Then you have to apply your observations. You could do your own research. वैसा होता है. So branding होता है दूसरा. बहुत और भी हैं, but I'm just giving you some. Yeah.
In fact, with this, I have a question, ma'am. Actually, what you just said, that it's not limited to data. There's a lot of creativity also which goes. So traditionally, we all are. I mean, it's a known fact that human mind is the best form when it comes to creativity and curating ideas, etc. You have been in this since so many years. So do you think that the earlier days, like we saw the example of, say, the Dairy Milk ad or the Airtel ad that we talk of, we still know, what kind of creativity would have gone and that thought, and it's basically a unique idea, and it touches people. In today's time, you really think that by using AI, we are limiting our minds, or maybe limiting our habits to not use human capabilities to the optimum level?
Yeah, so thank you for the question, but this will have an answer that will differ from person to person. At an overall grand level, India versus US versus other countries, it steps differently. So it depends on what the question is to what audience, because I just was hearing Piyush Pandey, who's on Ogilvy, was talking about this only, that how people are thinking that reels is the only way to go, and how everyone is focusing so much on that they are just leaving it to just the way I spoke, right? But there is a pro and a con to both, obviously. So he still believes in the long format. So that's his view. But there are lot of specialist agencies who now are developing only reels. And there is a way to do the reels also. So it's just about mastering what you do rather than having a view on what is not good or good, not bad to do. There's no one size fits all. So there are certain places where you still would need, for example, we have Asian Paints in our organization as one of our clients, and they make a lot of long format content, very interesting long format content. But do they also do short format? Yes, of course they do. So it's a good balance that you have to strike, and you have to use AI for sure. Without using AI is almost impossible to get to the target audience today, So that's what it is. Yeah, but from a creative standpoint, it is very subjective. And it's very difficult to say this or that, because every category, every agency has their own way of looking at things, right? So, yeah.
Yeah, just so what is the challenges now in a current, like in 2025 era, where digital world, like where we have Facebook, we have a WhatsApp, we have internets, we have a YouTube's videos, so many things. And look at the old era when newspaper ad was there, like then it was a television era came. So what are the challenges now, and what is the consumer behavior change? Is there any because we'll see like a lot of places Google has been giving a free advertisement, and somewhere some other country have a law also to charge their advertising charges. So what is the challenges now in the current era? That's what my question.
Yeah, so actually the presentation was exactly that, right? So whatever the shifts were covered there only. So one voice to very voices, and how we have to look at not audiences but outcomes, right? But challenge क्या है उसको करने में? Challenge यही है कि the measurement is not in place. It's so complicated that it's not easy. There's no single source measurement system to know that how do I reach out to XYZ consumer. So while we have a consolidated mass media system for print, TV, etc., but digital along with them, we all are developing our own tools, but there's no one single standardized tool. So the tool and measurement system is a challenge for sure. Like I said, it's not easy. In the room, if you're selling to a brand manager, it is very difficult to sell your media plan today because everyone has their own subjective opinion. Right? Because they will say, okay, why are we not using Facebook more? Why are we using YouTube more? For example, the answer will be there by the planner, but it will be a data-led answer from a lens that he is looking at. The same data can be twisted around to say that, okay, but suppose I want it the other way around. This is my objective. I can even do it through this. So it's not a very easy way to sell media plans today. It's getting more and more scientific. At the same time, like she said, it's a lot layered with more than just data. It requires a lot of observations. It requires a lot of research. Research not just in terms of numbers, but research in terms of what others are doing and what seems to be working. Because the other thing is we don't even know what brands are spending on digital because there's no ADEX reported. This ADEX thing that we are showing here is done by Madison, and a lot of other agencies also do this. They do it themselves by talking to people and finding out how much they are getting. It's not reported very easily. So it's a challenge for data and measurement today.
Yeah. Adding to what you just mentioned, ma'am, do you also think that today's current time that we are in, so we have on one hand the beginning of the digital era, say the Gen Z, Gen Alpha, etc., and we also have, so in the consumer list, we also have people who are the old age consumers who are not very privy to the digital world, and we have a mix of both. So I think how do you handle that? Because for a brand, I'm sure it's important to reach the digital consumers as well, and the conventional audiences also.
So thank you so much again. So the more we split our audiences today, there is a need. Earlier we could do one single 15 plus years plan. Okay, put 15 plus years plan. Anyway, it's a single TV home. Everyone is watching the same thing. Print भी सबके घर में जाता है. कोई ना कोई पढ़ लेगा. अगर नहीं भी पढ़ेगा तो mainly 2 लोग out of 4 लोग तो पढ़ ही लेंगे. ठीक है. Today, that's not long, like she rightly said. So we have to break up our media plans into cohorts. It's called COHORTS, right? It's about smaller audiences or segments of audiences, and not just by age, but by so many other things. That's where the data of digital is very, very powerful. TV and print and all that you can just do by basic demographics, but in digital you can do likes. What are they interested in? What is the affinity, we call it? What is the affinity they have towards travel, for example? So if you're a tire brand, one thing is to just advertise on IPL on masses and broadcast your message, 15 plus audience. The other thing is, how can you go to travel enthusiasts that you will get through digital? So that way. And then, there are trends we can see. There are some softwares like TGI, etc., where they do give all media reaches. So we study that, like you rightly said, the younger age group has a higher digital exposure and reach. The higher age group don't. So there is very conscious attempt to focus more on who's your priority audience. Who do you want to focus to more so that the plan can be? And if it is equal, then we need to break them into multiple media plans and to have different plans, different creatives sometimes, which is what we spoke about, for different audiences. So that's what it is. So more and more people are going into multimedia. To catch a consumer, it's not just one media. So you need 2 media, 3 media for all age groups, not just for us, but even for 41 years plus. They're not only one media. Some people may be exposed to out of home, some on TV plus print, some on TV plus digital, but the multimedia is very, very important.
Good evening, madam. I just wanted to understand, whenever in the marketing we see a product, we can see a tangible thing. But whenever it comes to the services, we are not getting that much reach towards the consumers or our clients. So how should we marketing that way so that we can get more output from the marketing?
But just elaborate what service you're mentioning exactly and what do you want to do?
Implementation of the IT services, consultancy.
IT consultancy. So you'll have to define your IT consultancy target audience, and you can easily do it because in Facebook and on LinkedIn and on all these kind of digital platforms, you don't need too much money to start. You can actually first start with who's your audience, how do you reach out to that audience, and just define that and just start the process. It's very easy to do. But of course, you can be guided by somebody. But if you want, first you have to create a brief. The first part is create a brief. What is the objective? You want to sell or you want to just make them aware? That is the first step. Because digital mein, you have to remember, outcome is very important. So if you want to do awareness, video does better. Having a film about it does better, or display ads and video together. If you want to do sales, then you need to have something where you have a call for action. You say something, but you say, okay, click here and then lead it to your website. Do you have a website? Do you have something very detailed on a website, which is good? That is very important. So these questions will need to be answered first. First, create a brief, understand your creative assets. आपके पास creative में क्या बना हुआ है, क्या चीज़ क्या बनाना है मुझे. So understand the journey basically.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, one last thought, ma'am. So the ads that we saw, say a Dairy Milk, or all of us remember most of the older brands like Fevicol or say a Bisleri and stuff like that. But in today's digital age, mostly we do not see brands getting that kind of, what do you call, brand recall. I mean, there are digital brands, there are brands which are very short-lived. So it's like, it's very trending for say 2 months, 3 months. But what do you think that the kind of effort which went earlier in advertising, in particularly communicating the brand, and I think so if you say that this brand stands for this, the entire campaign, each and every element would reflect that particular thought. Today it is very difficult because most of us, even as consumers, change our patterns. So going forward, you think that it'll be possible to have those kind of brands who will share that kind of a legacy?
Yeah, I think it's possible, but it's more complicated. And this is exactly the point of the lingering effect, actually, because the lingering effect is so low now, the attention is so less that anything that you see also you get, so that's why you do something called what we call media innovation, right? So, for example, you may remember even print, even though it may be a reach-wise dropping, people, if you know that your audience is reaching through print and suppose any markets, you could do something very impactful rather than just taking an ad, right? तो वो आपने how many of you remember वो पोलो ने launch किया था तो एक hole कर दिया था paper में, या somebody did a fragrance in a newspaper. So these things will have a lingering effect also. So when you do these are ways of getting lingering effect. Of course, an advertisement itself, the creative aspect is one side, and the other side is how you use the media. So it's a lot of elements. So you could use the media innovatively also. You need not always have the story angle. But today, like I said, even today there are long format films. Today also some people launch on cinema. Some people launch on long format. Some people want to do it on, on films. Even Fevicol, for example, today also they do long format ads, right? So that's it. And cricket thankfully still exists, which is a high impact. It's the highest impact kind of a buy that we can, attracts. So it's good to have something that binds the nation, which there is. Otherwise it's also individualistic.
Thank you so much. Anybody else having any questions? Yeah, we have one.
As you said, like if you say about fog, so directly you remember the tagline. So fog is a brand that has made an impact, and as like the Amul always launches the billboards or hoardings for the current updates. So they are already reminding the customers through updates that there is a brand which always contributes to the economy. So Amul is a brand like that, Fog is a brand like that, and they majorly use the billboards hoardings. A Fog may be advertising, but Amul uses the billboards, and they don't use the digital media that much, and they are still, because they still have a customer base. It is a huge brand. So I wanted to say that Amul is still don't use digital media much, but they are still having an impact on the customers.
Very nice observation, but let me tell you that's possible only because they've built it over the years. If they start today and they do it only in billboards, it may not work. So that's why even Cadbury or all these legacy brands, they've already built it to a certain level. Today they may do a different way of it then, but that's different. But yeah, you're right. They're not doing as much digital, but they do take a lot of other associations like. So they really invest in the brand in many ways. But yeah, that the girl identity is so everyone has their own iconic ways of doing things, and then there are other ways that they land up to. They still use print a lot also. They take those small hanging ads also in print. Yeah, but thank you for that observation. Interesting that, see, as a consumer also you know all this, even though you're not a marketing expert. So, but that's nice to talk to all of you. Thank you so much for coming, for interacting. It was really such a nice experience. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. We all had lovely inputs. Thank you so much.